Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for tuning in. This is kind of like a little series, unfortunately, because Strawberry's not starting. I really took apart so many things. I took apart like the whole like center console underneath the glove box and like everywhere. There's so many wires. There are so many things that I'm not too familiar with. I'm more of like a mechanical kind of girl. You know what I mean? Like I rebuild the top end, and like that's as far as like, I don't want to say as far as my knowledge goes, because like I'm definitely about to be learning more. But I'm looking for a mobile mechanic at this point because I've gotten to the point where I'm gonna pay for services. I'm not the best with electrical, and I have to deal with that. Finding someone is gonna be difficult because most people aren't. Not a lot of people are good with electrical. I did contact a few places around, and then they're like, okay, we'll send me your zip code, this and that. It's gonna be $80, and I'm like, okay, we'll only send someone that's really confident with electrical, because I promise you, this is not just like corrosion on the battery or just like, oh, the terminal's just a little loose and woohoo, there I am on my way. No, it's nothing simple like that. It's either ECU related or a short somewhere. I don't know. I have ground to the engine, so that's why I'm like, But yeah, that's where Strawberry is. Everything is taken apart. I literally, it looks so bad. The ECU is right there. Um, Look, I'll show you all of this stuff, and if that doesn't scare you, I don't know what does, but I know it scares me. And so if you guys are in the LA area and know your shit, I'm willing to pay you. I'm willing for you to come out here and help me get my baby started again. I just don't want to go back to the days where I have to Uber and Lyft, and then it breaks my bank account, and then I'm still stuck in the same spot, and I don't have the freedom to go somewhere. And I mean, everyone just kind of understands the shit that comes with not having a car, but this car means more to me than a lot of people care about theirs. So thanks guys for tuning in. I will definitely keep you guys updated, and please let me know if you know of anyone in the area that is willing to help me today. Bye.